Hello everyone, Sean here once again, and we're back on our Poly Bridge. This time, World 4, Number 2, Collision Warning. Alright, this is actually very reminiscent of a one of the puzzles in World 3, where we had the monster trucks that had to crisscross. So I think we're just gonna work on these cars having two different ramps and going... I think one, if we can just launch them, just like that, that would be cool. Oh, we've got a very limited budget here as well, apparently. Yeah, let's not worry about that for the moment. Let's get these ramps figured out, and then I will come back and work on how to make them cheaper. So first off, perfect. That one's figured out. Lovely. Now, oh, we do have limited resources there. We are already over budget. That's okay. Talked about that already. Anchor that against the wall. And of course, collision warning. That is the entire point there, is that these have to go off at different times, which I'm considering something like that, so that try and get them to go as late as possible in this jump. Yeah, yep, something just like that. Now, let's make this all out of wood, and then we can all go home. Safe and sound. Can this be out of wood? No, probably shouldn't be out of wood. And we're still over budget. Why are we still over budget? What do we need? What can we get rid of? It's a very, very strict budget here. Still worked, funny enough, but you know, to break. Right. That part was necessary. Let's get back to where that was still reinforced. Oh, I want to go forward one. So, still functioning. Can try and just shrink these, I guess. Need to get rid of a major portion of this budget. Okay. Still not seeing how to shrink this budget. Can we make this jump with one less piece over here, one less road piece? I think I'm actually optimistic about this, honestly. Less optimistic about this, honestly. No, what I think is actually going to happen here is we gotta, instead of trying to make the... Oh! Yeah, I was going to say, instead of trying to make the entire jump, maybe we're trying to land on this last piece, but as I say that, nailed it. Let's see that again in 100%, not 200%. This is... That's how it's done. Lovely. Under budget. Top 40%. That's how most people did it. Oh, that's interesting. That one just let him drop down and launch back over. Sort of a... like the rock skipping one that we had. Ooh, that one just had them both launch from either side. And just try to get them a different trajectory. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe. It really does help me out a lot. And share this video with anyone who think enjoy these kind of games. That's all for now, and we will see you all in the next one.